There are some vegetables that we try to escape when we are young. Yellow pumpkin was one such for me until someone made this halwa for me. Sweets are always best when it is hot off the pan, and especially the first few spoons. And when you cook mindfully, like prasadam party, every day it's something new and something hot and something fresh. I think every home has that one vegetable which is ignored that can become a hero when it is cooked right. Namaskaram. This is Meena Thennapan, also known as Prasadam Party, making kitchen your happy space, one dish at a time. I hope you enjoy making this recipe as much as I did. The sweet that surprises most of us, pumpkin halwa. Let's make a small batch prasadam party style. Grated pumpkin, sugar, charoli nuts and melon seeds, cardamom, and ghee. This is all that's needed to make the halwa. Heat ghee in a shallow pan which is wide. Spread it across the base and then add the grated pumpkin. Cook it over a slow to medium flame, stirring constantly until it is cooked through. Halwa is one recipe where you cannot rush. You need to cook it over a slow flame and keep stirring to get the right consistency and make sure it doesn't burn. Add a little water and continue to cook until it is soft. Once it's soft, keep mashing it against the pan and then add in the nuts. The nuts will cook in the ghee which is already there in the pan. Once that is done through, add the sugar and mix it. Cook stirring continuously until the sugar melts into the pumpkin and it all gets cooked together. Now add in the cardamom powder. When you're making a small quantity, it is better to sift the cardamom powder and then add. Mix well. Don't overcook it. Leave it a little soft and glossy. That's it. Your halwa is ready. Perfect as an offering and also for times that you crave something sweet. Remember, this can also double up as a midweek treat as it gets cooked very fast. I hope you enjoy making this pumpkin halwa as much as we did at home. If this recipe inspires you to cook, do subscribe. I share small batch recipes which is ideal for one or two, and of course you can make more